Now, let's look at question number 3. 5 identical balls distributed among 3 boys. Now, this time, we do allow some boy get nothing. Okay? So, how many different ways we can do that? Okay, look at here. The method we used before, this method, if we use this method, then each boy will at least get 1 ball. Is that okay? When I choose this one, that means first boy get at least 1, right? This method cannot handle the situation that some boy get nothing. Is that okay? So to handle the situation that some boys get what? Get no ball. We need to introduce dummy balls, okay? In our example, 3 boys. We need to introduce what? Introduce we need to introduce 3 dummy balls, okay? So, 5 identical ball plus 3 dummies. How many balls we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 3 dummies. 1, 2, 3. So altogether, we consider what? They are A balls, okay? Now, just like before, A balls, how many dividers we can choose from? D1, right? D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. Okay? 7 dividers. You choose 2, you divide what? You divide A ball into 3 groups. Okay? So in this case, from 7 divider, where's the 7 coming from? Come from what? Come from 5 balls plus 3 dummy. Subtract 1. That means 7 dividers. Okay? And in order to divide the ball into 3 piles, I need to choose 2 dividers. So now this becomes 7 choose what? 2. 7 choose 2 is what? 7 factorial over 7 minus 5 factorial. 7 minus 2 factorial. 7 minus 2 factorial, and then 2 factorial. This is 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. And this is 5 factorial. This is 2 factorial. After cancellation of this 5 factorial, okay? So 7 times 6 is 42. Divided by 2 is what? 21. Are you with me? So there are 21 different ways to do that. And let me give you a concrete example. Suppose I choose one. Suppose I choose these 2. Suppose I choose these 2. Okay? And look at here. 3 boys. Tom, Peter, and what? And Fred. Okay? If I choose these 2, that means first boy get how many? 1. But remember, that one is dummy. So Peter actually get nothing. Are we with me? Now second, from here to here, how many balls? 1, 2, 3 ball. Am I correct? Now 1 is dummy. So Peter actually get what? 2. Now from here to the very end. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many Fred get? Not 4. 4 minus 1. Because 1 is dummy. So this one gives what? Tom get nothing, Peter get 2, Fred get what? 3. This way, we allow what? Boys gets nothing. Some boy gets nothing. Okay, let me try one more. So you know what I mean, okay? Let's try one more. Suppose I choose what? Suppose I choose this one and this one. I choose D5 and D6. Okay? So choose here. The first boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So how many balls Tom get? 5 minus 1, because 1 is dummy. So Tom get what? 4. Are you with me? Now, second boy, Peter. From here to here, from here to here, Peter only get 1, but that one is what? Dummy. So Peter get what? Nothing. Okay? Now, Fred gets anything from here to the end. 2 balls, but 1 is dummy, so Fred only get 1. 4 plus 0 plus 1 still 5. Is that okay? So there are how many ways to do that? 21 ways, okay?